Several companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have released their financial results for investors to review. Sagicor Select Funds Limited, manufacturing and distribution, unaudited financials for the 6 months ended June 30, 2025, reports 6 months net loss of $81.06 million. 138 Student Living Limited, unaudited financials for the 9 months ended June 30, reports a 31% in 9-month net profit. Access Financial Limited's unaudited financials for the first quarter ended June 30, 2025, reports a 34% in the first quarter net profit. Spurtree Spices Jamaica Limited's unaudited financials for the 6 months ended June 30, 2025, reports a 41% 6-month net profit. JMB Group Limited's unaudited financials for the first quarter ended June 30, 2025, reports first quarter net loss of $686.39 million. Let's take a look at the market highlights with Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending August 22, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,574,913 units traded, representing 21.82% of market sales volume. Medical supplies distributor R.A. Williams Distributors Limited with 3,142,101 units traded, representing 14.98% of market sales volume. Gaming and entertainment firm Supreme Ventures Limited with 2,613,002 units traded, representing 12.46% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 22, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $77.84 million purchased and US $66.20 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.25 per dollar, selling the US at $160.59 and buying the US at $159.34. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.43 per transaction, with selling at $118.42 and buying at $111.99. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.42 in profits, with selling at $217.41 and buying at $213.99. For our credit report tip of the day, ever feel like banks only say yes to people with spotless credit? You're not alone. Small business owners with scores under 600 often wonder if it's even worth applying for loans, credit cards, or lines of credit. The reality is, lenders want to see more than just your score. They want to see your strategy, and that's where you can take control. Now, when you're building something from nothing and moving from recovery to resilience and beyond, the pause is your power. For professional women over 45, the slow season offers a rare opportunity to step back, realign, and design wealth strategies that take you beyond recovery and into resilience. Here are some ideas. Write down 3 income streams to build this year. Network strategically for collaborations and rest, because energy is also capital. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. See you soon.